Smart Reader. It is a website which is used to extract the text from images and PDF and convert the audio file of the text, and we can also download the audio file. It is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap in front end, and for the back end, Flask framework with Python is used. There are many HTML, CSS and JavaScript files used in the project. Here are few. This is home page, the code of HTML. This is HTML file for output. Here is the styling cascade sheet for the website. Here is the JavaScript which give the animations like this scroll, back to top. These all things are done using JavaScript. Here is one more CSS file. To run the website, first we need to activate the virtual environment created for the Flask framework. Then we will call the Python file and open the Chrome and run the website. In the project, we need to call the local host, which is 5000 for Flask.
This text clips the background image. This text clips the background image.
Here the text which was written over the image. We can also mute and unmute. We can also download the file.